The other day I made a video where I straightened up the steering wheel on my 1990 Eagle Talon. That's part of my alignment process, and got a few comments that that's not how you align a car. Of course I know that's not how you align a car, but let me give you my thought process. So I put in a new steering rack on this car. I put on fresh tie rods, so when I turn the tie rods in on both sides, I turn them in on the same amount of turns, and then I straightened up the steering wheel. So that way the car is actually tracking straight, even though the toe in may not be exactly where it needs to be. So next thing I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to check the toe in using these Vevor toe plates. And then, So I bought these toe plates. There's a version that comes with some standoffs. Mine didn't have standoffs because I got the cheapest one on eBay. But I actually put in these bolts to allow it to sit up against my dirty wheels. Otherwise, without them, I really couldn't get it. It would be sitting on the tire and not on the wheel itself. So this way I'll get a little bit better measurement. So based off of this, I've got 66 3/4. Over here I've got 67 1/4. So that tells me I've got more in the back. So it's wider in the back, so it means that I have a lot of toe in currently, since there's a shorter distance between the front of the two wheels versus on the back where there's a larger distance. So in essence I need to, because I want to get closer to zero toe, I want to pull the back of the wheels in to give myself a little more toe out, because I want to get closer to zero toe. This is a street car. I'm not really worried too much about having a lot of toe in for, and of course for this car, I really like to get a little bit more oversteer, since these cars are known for understeer. So I'm giving a quarter turn on both sides, and then I'll come back and got the plates back on after taking a quick drive to settle the suspension. I have I see, from my point of view, I'm seeing 67 and 3/16. And back here I've got 67 and 2/16. So right now I'm sitting at a 1/16 inch of toe out. Pretty good. I may go back in and just put in just a little hair back of toe in, and hopefully that'll get me right to 0 toe. So right now I'm at 67 and 1/16 and 67 and 1/16. So I'm at 0 toe. I'm gonna live with that. By the way, here's the part number for the Vevor plates. Again, I would get the ones that have the slot that you can adjust the standoffs. Because of the way this lip sits out, this wouldn't work. So